A lot of people in the US hear the term credit score all the time. But if you ask them what it actually is, most answers are either confusing or half wrong. Some people think it's just a number. Other think it only matter if you want a loan. And some do not even realize it affects things like renting an apartment or getting a phone plan. Um, so let's break this down in simple real world terms. First of all, what is credit score? Um, a credit score is basically a number that shows how trustworthy you look as a borrower in the United States. It's actually a number between 300 and 850. The higher the number, the more reliable you appear when it comes to handling borrowed money. No, here's something important. Your credit score is not about how rich you are. It's about how responsibly you use credit. There's a big difference. Um, how does the credit score actually work? Um, In the US, your credit score is calculated using information from your credit report. This report is maintained by credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They track things like do you pay your bills on time? How much credit are you using? How long have you been using credit? Have you missed payments in the past? Based on the behavior, score is calculated. You do not choose your credit score. Your action slowly build it. Let give me you a simple example. Imagine two people. Person A has one credit card, using it carefully and pays the full bill every month. Person B has multiple cards, often misses payments and mixes them out. Even if person B earns more money, person A will usually have a better credit score. That's how the system looks at responsibility, not income. A very common mistake people make. This is something I see a lot of people think. People think if I do not use credit at all, my score will be perfect. That's actually not true. In reality, no credit history can be just a problematic. Is paid credit. If there no data, lenders do not know how you handle credit. So the system prefers responsible usage, not zero usage. Another myth versus reality moment. The myth checking your credit score lowers it. In reality, checking your own score does not hurt it. Uh, when you check your own credit score, um, it's considered a soft check. Only certain types of credit application created hard checks, which can have a small temporary impact. So keeping an eye on your score is actually a smart habit. Why does the score as credit score matter so much in the USA? This is a question. This part surprises many people, especially newcomers. Your credit score can affect loan approvals, interest rates, renting an apartment, utility deposits, even some job background checks. So it quietly influences a lot of everyday decisions. You might not feel it immediately, but over time it plays a big role. Um, One useful thing most people do not realize: your credit score does not improve overnight. It does not crash overnight, either unless something serious happens. It's more like a long term reputation. Small, consistent actions over time matter more than a big move. That's why patience is such a big part of the credit system. Um, the another quick reality check: a credit score is not there to punish you. It's there to predict behavior. The system simply asks, based on past behavior, how likely is this person to repay? That's it. No emotions, no personal judgment, just patterns. Um, Let me ask you something. Did you ever check your credit score and feel confused about why it was high or low? Or maybe you do not even know what factors we are affecting it. Tell me in the comments. I am uh, genuinely curious. If you want, in the next video, I can explain what is considered a good credit score in the US. Or How many usually start building credit from zero? If this explanation helped, zero. If this explanation helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear. No confusion, no explanation. See you in the next video.